Welcome to the Smart Assistant channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hide a contact's phone number during a call on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you want only the contact's name to be displayed during a call without the phone number, you're in the right place. Let's start the process. First, open the phone app. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, tap the three dots, and this will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, tap on the Settings option. Once you're on the Call Settings page, find the option called Caller Information and tap on it. After opening this option, tap the switch next to the option titled Show Contacts Phone Numbers to hide the contact's phone number during a call. And that's it. After you've turned off this option, the contact's phone number will no longer be displayed during a call, and only the name will appear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, and thank you so much for watching.